Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are good and in good health. In the last lecture, we have done some of the workbook pages, and I also have given you the RA page number 17. I hope you all have done it and you have done it very nicely. I really want to see your drawings, and if you would like to share your RA page, so you can take the picture and show it to me in the Google Classroom so I can see that how beautifully you drawn the pictures. It's upon you if you want to show me or not. Okay students, so today we are going to do our last lecture of unit number 1 from the workbook. Some pages we will do as a classwork and some I'll give you as RA. So keep your workbooks with you and the pencils. I'm going to tell you that which pages of workbook are not included, that is not very necessary. So kindly first cut with me those pages. So those pages are page number 12 of your workbook. Cut page number 12. You can simply cut it with the pencil, that it is not included in our course. Page number 12. Then cut page number 13. Yes, do it with me. After page number 13, page number 14 and page number 15. I am repeating again. These 4 pages are not included. We are not going to do those pages of workbook. First page is page number 12, 13, 14 and 15. Make a cut with a pencil on these pages. Okay students, open page number 18 of your workbook and write classwork, today's date and day on this page. We'll do this page together. So I'm waiting for you. Please write your date and day, then we'll start it. Okay, so I think you are done with the date and day. Start reading this page with me. What's the topic? Look at the very top of this page. It's written the 5 senses. The topic is about senses. Now read with me. Look at the photographs. Discuss the questions with an adult. Okay class, I'm going to discuss this page with you, and you can also discuss this page with your adults at home. But first, I'm going to tell you what we have on this page. Okay, read the next line. Which animal do you think is good at hearing? What is the question they're asking? Which animal do you think is good at hearing? There are 2 pictures they have given to us on this page. Yes children, look at the first picture. There is an animal with the big eyes. What we call that animal? Yes, we call it owl. See, it has a very big eyes. And in the next picture we have a picture of a fox. I think it's a baby fox picture. So both the animals, it's very obvious from the picture that the owl has very big eyes. So the owl can see the things even if they are not very close to his eyes. The quality of an owl is they can see more at night, and their vision is very clear at the night time, and in the daytime their vision is quite blurry. So they can see the things very clearly at the night time, and in the daytime They can see the things but not very clearly. They can see the things very blurry. Now the next question they're asking, which animal do you think is good at seeing? Sorry, seeing is about the owl. Now I'm going to answer you that which animal do you think is good at hearing? So you can see from the picture that there is a fox in the second picture, and the fox has very big ears. The fox has very big ears. So the fox, we can say that the fox has a very sharp sense of hearing. Very sharp sense of hearing. It has an excellent hearing, and also it has a very sharp sense of smell. So they can catch their prey very, very easily. By their sharp sense of smell and hearing, they can catch their prey very easily. Now, label each animal's face. Find the eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Look at the first animal, owl. Yes, you can easily tell me that where are his eyes, nose, mouth, and the ears. So look at the first line, the first box. They are pointing towards which part of the body of owl? Yes, they are pointing towards his eyes. So what you are going to write in the first box? Yes, I think my all students are very sharp. Before I tell you, you know that they are pointing towards their eyes. So write eyes in the first box. The eyes in the first box. What are the spellings of eyes? E-Y-E-S. Everybody write eyes in the first box. E-Y-E-S. Do it with me. I'm waiting for you. Okay. Now look at the second box. Where they are pointing. They are pointing towards his mouth. Yes, they are pointing towards his mouth. So you will write mouth in the second box. Mouth in the second box. So write the spellings of mouth in the second box. What are the spellings of mouth? Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. The spellings of mouth are M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Everybody do learn the spellings, okay? Okay, now look at the third box. In third box, they have already written ears. They are pointing the arrow towards his ears. So they have written ears over there. And in the fourth box, it's very obvious that they are pointing towards the owl's nose. Yes, they are pointing towards his nose. So write nose in the fourth box. What are the spellings of nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Very good. I think you all have done it with me. Now look at the second picture. This is a baby fox picture. So in the first box, they are pointing towards his, yes, now you are going to tell me, they are pointing towards his, yes, they are pointing towards his eyes. Write eyes in the first box. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Okay, now look at the second box. Yes, you can see that they are pointing towards his nose. Towards its nose. Yes, so write nose in the second box. Repeat with me the spellings of nose, please. Yes, class. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S. N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay, do it with me. Well done. Now look at the third box on the other side. Yes, in the third box they are pointing towards owl's ears. Yes, look at his ears. Oh my god, they are so big. So you can tell it that they can hear so quickly and they have a very, very sharp sense of hearing. They can hear the things very far apart from them. Okay, now in the fourth box, they are pointing towards his mouth. Yes, so write mouth in the fourth box. What are the spellings of mouth? M-O-U-T-H. M-O-U-T-H. I think you all have done this page nicely and with me. Now look at the next slide. I have shown you the solved page, but I think you all already have done this page with me. So we move towards the next slide. Okay class, now open your workbook page number 11. Your workbook page number 11 and write today's classwork date and day on page number 11. Open page number 11 and write C.W, today's date and day on page number 11. Yes class, do this page with me. Okay, so what we have on this page? We have 3 faces on this page, and what we have to do with these 3 faces, draw 3 different faces on the heads, show one person who is sad, show one person who is happy, show one person who is surprised. Okay class, I think you all know when we are happy what type of face we make. Yes, show me your happy face. Very good. And when we are sad, what type of face we make? Yes, when we are sad, we all know what type of face we make. And if we are surprised, we see something suddenly and we listen any news which is very shocking for us, so we make a surprised face. Yes, everybody make a surprised face. Yes, I know you all can know how to make a surprised face. So in the first face, you have to make the sad face. In the other one, you have to make the happy face. And in the third one, you have to make the surprised face. Yes. So I think you all can make these faces. You can also make their hairs. Girls can make the long hair, boys can make the small hair. And if you want to label it, you can also label it. And it's upon you. If you want to color it, you can also do a coloring in it, so it will look more beautiful. Okay, now I'm moving towards the next slide, in which in this slide I have shown you the faces which I have made. I'm not very good at drawing, but I think my children are very good. You can make the much more better expressions than me. Okay, now move towards the next one. Okay class, so in the next class we will start chapter number 5. I'm discussing with you that what we have to do in this chapter. The topic of the chapter is making sounds. What is the topic of this chapter? Is making sounds. So I'm in the next class, first I'm going to ask you that with which things we can make the sound. So everybody think about it, and in the next class I'll ask you that how do we make sound with our body and with any other things. There's so many ways in which we can make sound. So I will ask you about the different ways how we can make the sound. That is a very interesting chapter, so I hope you all would like that chapter also. Now let's move towards the next slide, in which I am going to tell you about your RA pages. Okay, RA for today, do workbook page number 9 and 19. Do workbook page number 9 and 19. Okay, open your page number 9 of the workbook so I can discuss with you what you have to do on this page. I think everybody has opened the page number 9 of the workbook. Okay, in this they have asked you about how many people in your family are male. So count your family members at home, that how many are male. So you can write the number. So how many people in your family are female? You can write the number over there. How many people in your family have long hair? You can observe that how many people in your family have long hair. You can write the number over there. Then in the fourth one, you will write how many people in your family have short hair. That's very interesting. How many people then? Next is how many people in your family have brown eyes? Okay. And then the last one is how many people in your family are right-handed? Yes. So discuss these things with your parents or observe these things and write the numbers over here. And let's see what we have on page number 19. Open with me the page number 19. Okay, this page is also very interesting. Ask an adult to help you to answer the questions. Write 3 things that are the same for you and this adult and the 3 things that are different. Okay, you can ask any adult at your home that what things are same between you two and what things are different, and you can write those 3 things over there. Then in the next point they're asking, write 6 parts of your body and point to them. Yes, that's so easy. You can write any 6 parts of your body and by writing them you can point towards them. Yes. So in the next question they're asking, list the 5 senses and the part of the body we use for each sense. One example is done for you. That is so easy. In the first one you have write the 5 senses as they have written the first one, hearing. And with which part of the body we used to hear? Yes, it's written over there that we used to hear with our ears. And in the remaining 4 you will write the senses. In the first one you will write the other 4 senses and with which part of the body we used to sense those things. So you will write that in the next one. So these 2 pages are very easy. I hope you can do these pages easily at your home. Okay class. Okay class, this was all for today. Do your RA on time with proper date and day and do it very nicely. Take care of yourself, students. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.